Okay, guys, hello again. Today, inshallah, we'll take problem solving page 233 together. It's applying concepts about what we took in the division, and hope you did very well in your exam today morning. Let's start, guys. We are on page 233, problem solving. I'll start with Kinan. Let's start, guys. Prepare your box. Let's see the question and see what we have here. Yeah, we are on page. We'll go to the value practice, guys. Apply the strategy, page 235. 235, question 1. So now we are on page 235. We'll do question 1 together. Go, Kinan. Are you here, Kinan?
Yeah.
Yalla, Kinan. Question 1, page 235. Let's go, guys, together there. Yeah.
Jaden is downloading songs onto his MP3 player. One song is 5 minutes long.
Good.
Another
So
is
the first
2 minutes.
Wait, Kinan. The first song, guys, when we read the question, we need to understand what we are reading. Okay, it's very important. If you understand the question for the problem solving, you can know what you will do in the solution. So the first song, what's the length of it, ya Kinan?
5 minutes.
5 minutes. So the first song is 5 minutes. Continue.
Another is 2 minutes long.
Good. Another, let's say the second song is 2 minutes long. Good. Continue.
And
Continue.
a third is between the lengths of the other two songs.
Good. And we have third song here. We have third song. And the length of it, it's between the other two songs, between 2 and 5. Between 2 and 5. So what we have here, we have a CD with 3 songs. The first song, 5 minutes. The second song, 2 minutes. The third song is between 2 minutes and 5 minutes. Continue.
What is the total length of all 3 songs?
Good. Now we need to know the total length of the 3 songs. Now we know the first one and the second one, but the third one, it's unknown. The third song, it's unknown. It's between 2 and 5. It can be 2, it can be 3, it can be 4, it can be 5, it can be 3.5, it can be 4.5. It can be a lot of choices to be the length of the third song. So here, can we calculate the length of the 3 songs depending on these informations, yeah, Kinan?
No.
No, we cannot, because we have a missing information here. Here in this question, guys, we have a missing information. The first information, okay. The second information, okay. But the third information here, I cannot determine what's the length of it, so I can add the 3 lengths together. So what's the answer here, Yakinan? Can we add them, or can we find the total length, or we cannot find?
No, we cannot find the total length because they didn't say what is the number of the length of the third song.
Exactly. They didn't tell us a specific information about the third song. We know the first one, the second one, but the third one is unknown here. It has a lot of choices. So here what we will write, guys, in our answer, we cannot, write with me, guys, we cannot find the total length of the 3 songs. Why? Because there is, we call it a missing information in the question. Missing information in the question. So this is the answer of the question, guys. We cannot find the total length because there is a missing information. we need to know more information about the third song so I can find the length of the 3 songs. So please copy the answer, guys, here. Copy the answer. This is question 1, page 235. This is question 1, guys. Again, the answer that we cannot find the total length because there is a missing information about the third song. This is question 1. Now let's move to question 2 to see if we can find the wanted there, or also we have missing information. So this is question 1. We are done with it. Now let's go to question 2 together, and I will choose Mr. Isa. Yalla, Isa, read.
Yeah, Mr. Question number 2.
Yeah. Did you finish writing question number 1?
Yeah, I write missing information.
What?
I write missing information.
Good. Yalla, it's okay. Missing information. Good.
Room 220 and room 222 have canned food drive. How many more cans has room 222 collected than room 220? 222 has 300.
Isa, hello.
By the side.
Are you here?
Yeah.
Again, but in high, clear voice, please. Read it again. Yalla.
Room 220 and room 222 have a same canned food drive. How many more cans has room 222 collected than room 220? By the side of the question, they write room 222, 346 cans, room 220, 278 cans.
Can we know how many more room 222 more than room 221, or we cannot?
We can. 346.
Yes, we can, because both are given.
Yes.
Yes, we can, because both informations which we need are given. For example, if I want to need how many more 10 than 15, sorry, how many more 15 than 10, what we will do, guys, we will subtract, right? If we subtract, we know how many more 15 than 10. How many more? It is 5. This is the same idea. So let's summarize the question on the board. So Isa will tell me how we'll do it. So we have 2 rooms here. Room, what's the first number of the first room, ya mister?
220. 220.
220. How many cans in room 220, mister? Besides the question, guys, here, they give us the can. 278. In room 220, it has 278 cans, right?
Yes. And
the second room,
222.
Yeah, room 222, it has how many cans?
346.
346 cans. Good. Now, what's the question once again? How many more? How many more room 122 than room 220? By the way, these guys, these numbers are not the numbers which we want. These are the names of these rooms. Room 1, room 2, room 3. It's name only. These are the numbers which we want to care about. Room 222, 346 cans. Room 220, 278 cans. How we will know how many more, Ya Isa, room 222 than room 220? What we will do?
We will do 346 minus 278.
Exactly. We'll do 346 minus 278 to know how many more. To know how many more. Now let's make them, let's align these two numbers over each other. 376 minus.
No, Mr. 346.
346, sorry. 346 minus 278. Let's subtract, guys. Let's subtract. Yeah.
We're gonna do 6 minus 8, so the 4 will be 3 and the 6 will be
Exactly.
16.
6 minus 8, it cannot. The 4 will be 3 and the 6 will be 16. Now 16 minus 8, yeah, Isa.
Well, 8.
It is 8. 3 minus 7.
3 minus 7 we cannot. The 3
Cannot.
beside 8
The 3 will be 2 and the 3
It will be
will here
13.
will be 13. Mumtaz. Now 13 minus 7.
6.
6. 2 minus 2. 0.
0.
So how many more cans room 222 than room 220? It's
By
more
68.
by what? Cans.
68 cans.
Exactly. Thank you, Isa. This is question 2, guys. Write it in your book, please. This is question 2. Write it in your book, please. Thank you, Isa. Copy, guys. Copy question 2, please. Sorry, guys. Question 3. Question 3. We did question 2, and this is question 1, guys. If you didn't write it, this is question 1. We said we have missing information if you go back and read the question. And this is question 2. Copy them both, please, before we move to question 3, please. This is question 1, question 2. Copy, guys, before we go to question 3. Now let's move to question 3. Let's go to Jalal.
Mr. You can hear me? Mr. You can hear me? Hello?
Yes, I can hear you, Mr. Yes, I can. Yes.
I know. Your screen little Musafwan, Sakarat, network bandwidth is low. Your internet is low.
No, my internet is good, mister. Can you see the board?
Why they told me to phone the cat? No, the board is too small.
Mr. Jalal,
But I can,
do not argument with me, mister. Can you see the board?
yeah.
Can you see the board? Can you
Yes,
hear
it's small.
me?
Yes.
So what you want? Just read the question and stop talking, mister. Stop talking. Read the question.
Carly is collected money for a bowl.
No, wait. Go, mister. Go. I don't want. Okay. Abdullah Ihab.
Yes,
Wait, Jalal, wait. Abdullah Ihab.
Carly is collecting money for a bowl.
Abdullah, I'm talking with you. Talk with me. Don't read.
Okay, yes,
Do you see the board very well, Abdullah?
yes,
Do you hear me very well?
yes.
Any problem with this period here? Any problem?
No,
Thank you, Abdullah. See, Mr. Jalal, everything is good. So check your internet, not my internet. Thank you.
Yes, Mr.
Read.
Carly is collecting money for a bowl of thumb. Her goal is collected $125. Last year, the bowl-a-thon raised $100. If she shares $5 for each person, how many people need to participate in the bowl-a-thon?
Now here we have two informations. How much money Carly wants to collect?
Her goal is to collect $125.
Okay, Carly wants to collect 125 what? Dollars, okay?
Yeah,
Now, each person need to pay how much?
$5.
$5. Good. Now, we have another information said last year they collected how many dollars?
100.
$100. Now, the question wants how many people for Carly, right?
Yeah, What?
Wait,
how
focus with
many
me.
people? How many people need to practice?
Okay, for Carly, for the $125, right?
No, how many people need to practice in the bowl-a-thon?
Mashi, in the bothon. But the Carly, she prepared the bothon diet in $125, right?
Yeah.
So this information, guys, here, this information, it is extra information. We don't need it in the question. This information, it is what? Extra information. Got it? Now, can we know if each person pay $5, how many people we need for the whole $125? How we know, ya Jalal?
Divide the
We divide 125 divided by what?
5.
By 5. Because each person gives 5. So to know the whole number of the people here, we will divide these two numbers. So this information here, we don't need it. صح?
Extra information, yeah, we don't need it.
Extra information. So ignore it, and let's solve the question here. We will divide 125 divided by 5.
By 5.
Now we'll make long division, right? We are good
Yeah.
in long division now. 125 divided by 5. Help me here, ya Jalal.
First thing, 1 divided by 5, we can take 12 divided by 5.
Yalla, how I'll divide?
Put 2 up, then put 10.
Yalla, 2 times 5, 10. Subtract 2, then
5 down.
5 down, 25 on 5, how much?
5.
5. So how many people we have for the
We need
$125? We
25.
need
25 people.
5 people. 25
To reach
people. Each person of them, guys, pay $5. Together, they will collect how much?
$125.
$125. This is question 3, guys. Kabit, please. Okay, we are done with the question 3. Let's go to question 4 together. Question 4. Let's go to question 4 together. So we did the question 1, 2, 3. Now we will do question 4 together. Let's read it to see if we have enough information or no. Let's read. Hamad Da'as.
Yeah, mister. I will
Read
read
it,
now.
Muhammad.
Sari made pancake batter. She has 1 cup of batter left. How much batter did...
Wait, Muhammad Habibi, wait. She has 1 cup of batter left, right?
Yeah.
Yani after she made the pancake, she had 1 cup of butter left, right?
Yeah.
Left.
Yeah.
Continue.
How much butter did she use? If this problem cannot be solved with the information provided, write initial information and then solve the problem.
Right. I will ask you a question, Mr. Muhammad. Look at the board here. See the board?
Yeah. Yeah.
Do we have another information than this one?
No, only we have
No,
information.
we only have this information, 1 cup of butter left, right?
Yeah.
Can we know how many cups she used from this information? No.
No.
Maybe she used 10, maybe 20, maybe 30. I don't know how much because it has a missing information, right?
Yeah.
So can we solve this question or we cannot solve it?
I think we cannot.
We cannot. So here, can't solve. We cannot solve this question, guys. Why? It has what? Missing information. A missing information. What is the missing information here? The number of cups that she used originally, right?
Yeah.
We need the number of cups that she used originally. At the first, before she make the pancake, we need how many cups of butter she used, right?
Yeah, because the question should be logically.
Exactly. Thank you, Muhammad. Copy question 4, guys. This question cannot be solved. It has a missing information. And what we need to solve it, we need the number of cups that she used originally. Thank you, guys. Copy this. Thank you, Muhammad. Copy question 4, guys. Okay, guys, so we did the question 1, 2, 3, and 4 in page 235. This idea here, guys, in this problem solving, to know if we have enough information or sometimes the question misses information. So in question 1, guys, we have a missing information. I think you copied it already. And question 2, it has all the enough information, so we solve it. In question 3, we have extra information, so we did it. And in question 4, we have missing information here, which is the number of cups that she used originally before she make the pancake. So this is the idea of the problem solving. I want you to write these answers, please. Now, you have exams, right, guys? It's okay if you didn't do the homework, but these questions are the only wanted from you, okay? In this lesson, these 4 ideas are the only questions which wanted from you guys, okay? So it's okay if you didn't solve the homework because you are in exams, in the exams period this week and I think the next week. So just copy these questions and study them, and this is enough for you. Thank you so much. Thank you, Kinan. Stop it.